Welcome to Master Trader's Weekly Trade Review. I'm Dan Gibby, and in this lesson I'm going to show you what the Master Trader high probability buy setup is, and then I'm going to focus on the concept of those setups that have deeper retracements, how they also offer high probability setups. We're technical based traders. We start with a compelling pattern. These are 9 of them. We have many more. I'm going to focus on this one today in the upper left. And then we start with this and we say, okay, where is this pattern in connection with the overall trend, support and resistance, multiple time frame alignment? Is it showing relative strength or weakness? And then, hey, what are the broader markets are doing? These apply on any time frame, any instrument, flip them upside down. They work on the bearish side. This is the Master Trader buy setup. We keep the KISS method. Keep it simple. I can teach an 8-year-old how to do this. Little Johnny, we want an uptrend. What's an uptrend? Higher pivot highs, higher pivot lows. I want them comfortably above the 20 and the 50 period moving average, rising bullishly. So we want a quality trend. Then I want a retracement from what I call a V-top. A V-top is just 1 or 2 bar reversal as opposed to multiple bar reversal. It's common sense because it's less resistance to get through. So we are expecting new highs on buy setups in strong uptrends until the trend ends. Then I'm looking for a reversal. Reversal where? On support. Prior highs are minor support, prior lows we call major support. So I'm going to be focusing on the next 2 examples on the depth of this retracement here, but they're still buy setups. Then we're looking for a reversal, the turn. They're going to come in different flavors. This could be a 1 bar turn, multiple bar turn, and then we enter over the trigger, stop under the turn, and manage in between. JWM, we gave this one to our subscribers last week. So it broke out. It was in a sideways trend down here. I mean, notice all of our daily charts are this clean and simple, color-coded candlesticks. The blue is the 20, green 50, red 200. They just help speed up the analysis. So it went from a sideways trend, broke aggressively to an uptrend, and now here's my retracement. Here's a V-top. It's only a 2 bar reversal. So I'm waiting, let the stock market tell me where demand wants to come up to reverse. Now, since this was so bullish, it didn't have any major pivots, which are marked by these dots. A major pivot is 3 higher lows to the left and the right, opposite for a pivot high. So we're just waiting. These overlapping bars would have been a logical place for this to reverse, but on this bar, it gapped down, and I have a range expansion and a green candlestick, meaning it closed above the open. So you got my attention to start watching it. The buy setup actually triggered the next day, but that's not what we call a potent reversal, the turn that we just talked about on the prior slide. But now that it closed with a topping tail, the logic is if it can now recover and take out the high of that topping tail, now I have a potent 3 bar turn, which is why I'm showing this in this little green moon here. So we gave this to our subscriber. It's a closed trade. All of our trades are documented in the members area, open and closed spreadsheet. We give the date, the symbol, the stock or option strategy, the technical setup, and how to manage in between. So notice here, it's a buy setup and reversal at the 20, 200 period moving average. There's a technical setup. Enter over the topping tail, initial stop under the green bar. We sold some into strength, just went into trail mode, made almost 12% in a beautiful 4-day swing trade. One more here, AMBA we gave last week. Notice the deep retracement. I don't know where it's going to reverse. Let price action tell me where it reverses. Look at all my moving averages. They're beautiful, big, beautiful move. Now this one's a little bit more of a square top as opposed to a V top. But when we trade these buy setups with deep retracements, remember, we're always looking for the nice fluid move down like this, because then that leaves a price void, what we call to move back up. So even though it retraced deeper than that would occur if demand were stronger and buyers stepped up earlier, these are still very tradable setups, as I'm showing you here, once you find the turn and you have this price void. So we don't expect a new high because of this retracement, but the price void where it fell from this red bar to this gap reversal is a beautiful multi-day bounce once it triggers, as you can see here. Now this was not only a buy setup, it was a 1 bar turn with the gap down and range expansion bullish close. You could have bought over the high of that bar. Now, however, we have 2 inside bars that made the setup better. So it's what we call a bullish 1, 2, 3 continuation on top of the buy setup with a price void. And to it, we gave it, the trigger here was over the high of this small little topping tail bar. And it gapped down, took out the prior low, and then triggered. So that's the day we enter. We bought it here at 80.39, buy setup in 1, 2, 3 continuation reversal. And now we are simply in trail mode here. So you can see by the tightened stop is under this bar right here, 82.94. It looks like we have an unrealized $2.64 gain already, and just we're in trail mode. Let the stock take us out. But it looks like it's going to stall around here, and we probably will get stopped out here, but that's fine. We're in trail mode. If you'd like to get trades like this, stock and option trades, advisory swing and options trader, we have my partner Greg Capper does amazing intermarket analysis, techno-fundamental approach on the weekends. We buy and sell stocks and options, anything that moves, cryptocurrency, ETFs. It's a fantastic service. We go through our approach, find these high probability setups, send them to you on the weekend in email and in real time, not only new trade ideas, but the trade alerts in Telegram throughout the week. Go to mastertrader.com/advisory swing and take a no-brainer $37 1 month trial. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, email my partner Greg or me. Good trading. Look forward to seeing you in the next trade review video.